Hi everyone, I'm Ed Tapper, back to you from Mr. C's Auto Mart. At least we got a nice sunny day today. This is a new arrival, super elegant 2014 white Nissan Maxima SV 3.5 SV sedan. So this has the 3.5 liter 290 horsepower engine, tons of extra equipment. You see as we pan around, it's got chrome surround window trim, supplemental turn signals, these beautiful black accented 10-spoke factory wheels. It's got push button start, passive keyless entry, a little button here. We'll pan around here. It's got chrome window sills. Panning around the car to the back. See, it's got a dual chrome exhaust, spacious trunk, rear deck lid spoiler. This has 128,000 miles. It's going to be advertised for 9,000. What a deal! It's a Japanese import. It really runs great. It's fully serviced, clean CARFAX history, no accidents. It's got deep tinted glass. Beige leather interior. We've been in here now. And it's got rear air and heat vents. It's got a panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. Perforated leather, heated and cooled seats. And over here you see the driver and passenger seats are power. You have memory. And you have a tilt and telescoping steering column, so your memory is for the seats, radio station, mirrors, and steering column. There's your power mirrors, your heated steering column, heated seats. As we start this up, you see we'll do this again for you. The steering column will move into position. You have Bluetooth, trip computer, and cruise on the steering column. There's your mileage. Here's your panoramic sunroof and the sunshade's closing. Auto dimming rear view mirror, navigation, rear backup camera. Here's your climate control. Here's your heated seats and cooled seats on the driver's seat. Is heated and cooled. Looks like the passenger seat is heated. And this is your rear sunshade. We'll see if we can look in the rear view mirror and see if we can show you this. That's going up and down. So it's got a power rear sunshade, like a Mercedes. Here it is from the back. I'd invite you to come by and take a look. Again, the website's MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me at 708-473-2014. Thanks.